Here's a little study area. I like it. Fireplace. Here is the living room. This is the laundry room with a half bath. Very big laundry room. And here's the master. Beautiful windows with plantation shutters. His and her closets. More than enough space. Here's the other one. This one's smaller, so it's probably be mine. And then this beautiful bathroom. I don't know if the video is doing it justice, but it is beautiful. Look at that antique tub. So that takes care of the first floor. Now let's go upstairs to the second floor. And that's a closet. This will be a office / little workout area that I can put here. It's huge. Put a treadmill there. Maybe it's an office. There's also this room back here that's unfinished. That can be a bedroom. Although this property has so much storage. I mean, it's 40 acres. There's several barns in it that I'm gonna convert into barndominiums. Here's another bedroom. Another bathroom, shower. Love the sinks.